Hey guys, I'm gonna install the protect skin protector. So first you will do is cleaning up excess dust. I'm just using Windex glass cleaner. Get a microfiber towel, clean microfiber towel. And just clean it, like wipe it off those dust. Once you're done with it, make sure there's no excess dust on it. Unfortunately, off-roading just kicking up a lot of dust. I have to clean my car. I apologize for dirtiness, but you gotta make sure there's no dust in it. So once you clean it up, you can apply this. You basically add warm water, and they have a soap. Just spray it. On the top. So you have a squeegee as well. They provide you one with the installation kit. So take a squeegee and kind of excess all the water out in case you miss something. Do as best you can in between as well, because sometimes it doesn't reach certain area. So once you're done, you can just wipe it off. They provide you one of the towel, comes with it, and just clean it. It's kind of hard to hold a phone and at the installation, so I apologize if you don't see a proper view. Okay, once you're done, dust or you don't see any visible residue. Now it's time for real installation. So you're gonna spray it again. And then they provide you the screens. Like this. So I will let me take it out. So now I take it out. As you see, there's the glue version. I'm gonna put it on. So I will spray it on the portion, and inside of the film as well, and then I will apply to it. So stay tuned. So as you see, I already spray on it. Now it's time to put it on. So I just put it on. Make sure you properly line it up, and I highly suggest you do it on either in shade, or is like a cold weather over here today. So I don't suggest you install it on the hot temperature or when your car is hot. being outside. So I did this. Just need to dry it up. And also in this screen, the most trickiest part is on the corner and also around this odometer push button. You can see, yeah, so the edge is gonna be the trickiest part, but you guys is squeezy, so be patient. Patient is the most you're gonna need it through this video and in time. So just stay tuned for the final update on this installation review. And if you like this channel, please give thumbs up and subscribe, because I usually install a couple of more on my Tacoma, and when I do it, I upload new videos. Thank you.